Wise investment strategy tips for newbies and experienced investors. There is a ton of investing advice online, but how do you know what you can trust and what will trip you up? This video has been contributed to by experts, your peers and other financial gurus, who know what they're talking about. When it comes to financial advice, this is the best place to start. Pay less attention to the various market voices that are trying to bombard you with data on price points. This will allow you to gain more information on the performance of the companies you currently invest in or plan to invest in, giving you the chance to make smarter decisions. Have you done some short selling? This method of investing includes loaning shares of stock. An investor can borrow shares if he agrees to return them at a specified date. The investor can sell the borrowed shares, and then repurchase the same number of shares when the price declines. Because the stock is sold at a higher price than the price to replenish it, this investment method can yield healthy profits. Investing in the stock market does not require a degree in business or finance, outstanding intelligence or even familiarity with investments. Being patient and sticking to a plan, making sure to remain flexible and conducting research, will serve you well when playing the stock market. Going against the grain often pays off. One way to reduce your risk with investing money in the stock market is to practice diversification. You can do this by investing in a wide range of companies from tech stocks to blue chips. Also invest some of your money into bonds. The easiest way to practice diversification is to purchase mutual funds. Be mindful of a stock's history, but do not count on it as a future guarantee. No matter how good a track record a stock might have in the record books, the future is unwritten. Stock prices are determined by estimations of company earnings in the future. Strong historical performance is a good indication, but even the greatest of businesses can slide. Wading through the sea of content online can be enough to drown you, but this video is a life preserver for anyone investing for profit. The simple tips you've read can change your strategy so significantly that you can turn around a losing investment or start investing in something new. Be sure to take what you've learned and go. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.